Okay, we're going to pick up with lesson 2. So we're going to follow the same procedure for logging in. You're going to start from the SESD webpage, click on Library, and go up to Elementary School Libraries and pick Salem Hyde from the drop-down list. Then we're going to go over here to Clever, click on that, and then we're going to go to Login with Active Directory, which will bring us to this screen, and you're going to log in with your student username and password. And once you're logged into Clever, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to click on Office 365. Once you're into Office 365, all of your recent documents that you've worked on should be right here in a list in the middle of the page. And the one we're looking for is Info About Me, which should be right near the top. So we're going to click on that. And our task for today is we're going to practice changing the font size and the font type. So that means we're going to change the size and pattern of the writing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to practice highlighting the sentence. So you're going to start at the end of the sentence over here to the right, and you're going to highlight backwards, right to left, to the beginning of the sentence. And once you do that, a dialog box is going to pop up here, and you're going to go up to where the numbers are, drop down, and we'll pick a number. Any number you want is fine. Let's do 24 for this one. And let's go up here and again, drop down, any font you want. Let's do Times New Roman for this one. Click on that and see how the writing is different. So we're going to do the same thing for the next sentence down. We're going to start at the end of the sentence. You're going to click and drag backwards, right to left. And you can also change the font size and type up here at the top. So let's do it up here for this time. I'm going to click on the drop-down arrow, pick a different size. This one will work. How about, let's do 28. That works. And let's see, pick one from up here. How about Algerian? So there we go. And same thing for the third sentence. We're going to start at the end. We're going to click and drag backwards, right to left. There we go. And again, we're going to make the font bigger. Let's do 48. That works. And then also we can go up here to the top again, and what's a good font to pick? How about Broadway? Let's do Broadway. And there we go. So that's the same 3 sentences, 3 different sizes and types of font. So from here, if you were on a desktop computer, actually it would work from a laptop computer too, if you wanted to get ready to print. I'm going to go up to File, and go to Print this document. So if you are on a desktop, you can print right from that desktop here in the library. So you would just go up to this printer icon, and it would ask you for the printer you wanted it to be sent to, and you would just click OK and it would print. I'm recording this from a laptop, and the laptops are not synced up to the printers in the library. So if you are using a laptop right now, what you will do is you would have to save your document. Then you would have to log off of the laptop and then get onto one of the desktop computers that are on the counters here in the library, and then print from there. So if you're already on a desktop on one of the computer spots in the library, you can just print right from your computer. But if you're on a laptop, now is where you would save, log off, and then log on again from a desktop and print from there. Okay, thank you. See you in the next lesson.